What's up, guys? Started a video. Today we're going to be removing the subframe and replacing the subframe bushings and the rack and pinion. So far we already took out the tie rod because I get to get off the rest of the stuff. That way this stuff stays here and then we can drop it. There'll be the 4 screws that hold the subframe, then it'll go down. We've done this before, so I'll try to show you as much as I can do. Starting off, this is a 17 millimeter to take off the tie rod, and then taking off all of these. But I'm gonna be smart, and since the subframe is dropping, I'm gonna take the rack and pinion off once the subframe is off. If we was doing this normally, then gotta take off all of those and all that. This and this, the mount, and the other 3 on the other side. But we're doing it the easier way. So starting off with this side, I'm starting on this side, my boy's on the other side. Should make this an easy process. Stay tuned for the next clip. Alright guys, so we got sway bar link off, outer tie rod off, ball joint off, bolt to the control arm on the fork off. What else? Come around here. I took the little top part off of the mountain, the disconnect, so when it drops it's not holding the engine. Just gotta do the rear. Fan came off also. Same exact stuff on this side. So we're about ready to drop the subframe. Just took off the power steering line. That's right here. That needs to come off. This is connected to the subframe. I'm about to do this. This is 210s. It's not really a tutorial, by the way. This is just like, come watch me take off my subframe, do a dust over, and I'll do a little. Sorry, I can't get my words right. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of telling certain millimeters for shit you gotta come off. But yeah, these, I got another video. These are 210s for the power steering to the rack line. Majority of stuff we're using those 14, 17, 18, 16, you know, the usual. So shouldn't be hard to tell. 10s and stuff like that. You know the Honda stuff. If you're working on a Honda, you already know. But yeah, once the subframe is coming off, then I'll pick up the camera back and then you guys can see it on the ground. Making good progress though. Finally got the subframe out. It's on the ground. You want, right? Oh yeah, they need to bang it out.
Oh, working.
Boom.
Who would have thought?
Gone.
There's one. Now we can test it. We don't gotta burn shit. That's even better.
Yeah, that's even quicker. Yeah, we just gotta burn them with a torch. But if it comes out like that, that's perfect. All right, that's you have these. No, the front. The polyurethane. Those were OEM. I'm gonna get some vibrations and shit, but fuck it, bro. These subframe bushings were so bad. This is needed. I'm at 200K, 201K.
These are pressed in.
Right. We're gonna press them in, and I'll pick up the phone afterwards. But for now, we're gonna get to it. Just like that. Look how smooth that shit came out. Perfect. Where did the other two? He did the other two. We're just finishing on these, and then boom. These just sort of caked up and fucked up, but they come out nice. Now for the polyurethane ones. Alright, so guys, we're back. We got all 4 polyurethane mounts on. They were very easy to put, like I said in the last clip. Right now, we're also doing a rack and pinion job, if I didn't mention. So it's very easy. I'll mention the bolts. So it's gonna be 2 14s, 17 and a 14. And then I think this is also a 17. So 5 bolts hold the rack and pinion. And there's gonna be a shield that's right here. It's held by 10. So this is the shield. Take that off. Yeah, right now I'm about to take this rack off and then put on the new one that I have over there. Yes, sir. Got the rack on, going back up now. Slowly but surely, we'll be done with this. I'm curious to see how it's gonna feel, to be honest. Oh, wait. I just realized something.
What?
We didn't put the shield on. I can put it on when it's up, though. That's not hard.
I bet.
With that, guys gotta make sure don't forget. But that's nothing crazy to put on. If it was something crazy, then yeah. Because I took it off before, obviously. But yeah. Getting it back in. Pick up the phone when it's fully up back in the air. We are done. Just got a little bit left. Car's dead. So I'm about to jump it, and then we can turn it on and add more power steering so we can beat the system properly. After that, that's final. Subframe and everything is on. Exhaust, we should have been done a long time ago, but one exhaust bolt broke, and then the other one was being annoying, so we made it work though by just basically doing what I would not recommend, but we broke the nut off the top of the manifold and just replaced it with like a nut that comes off because it's welded to the thing, to the exhaust manifold. But yeah, wheels are back on, wheels are tightened. Just got to torque them. This ended up breaking, so I'm in need of another one of those now. But yeah, hoping this goes good. This car's been having this wandering problem for the longest. Subframe bushings were bad. I changed them there. I did change everything. New coils. I got T Flex Z's, upper control arms, lower control arms, inner and outer tie rods, ball joints, sway bar links. I did polyurethane sway bar link bushings. Like I literally did everything. So this is the final thing, and so another rack and pinion, and finally doing the subframe bushing. So I'm really hoping this drives straight and just get a nice alignment. And we can finally be done with this and move on to the next stuff. I gotta get another catalytic converter, replace that, pass inspection, and then I got a crack on my fucking windshield. That'll be the last thing. So really hoping this works out. But if I don't end the video with another clip, this is me ending it right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I didn't really explain or do much, but really was just trying to get it done. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. Actually, this is the last clip of the YouTube video. Got the car running. System is bled. I removed the cracked valve cover. But yeah, running good. Now it's just up time for the test drive. So you guys stay tuned for the final results to really know. And then I'll end the video.